We always read so many articles about Vastu, we watch so many videos, and always these questions are there in our mind. How the house is affecting every person differently. Yes, the same house. In that house, five people are living. The Vastu is same, right? It is the same structure. If you say that in the northeast there has to be that particular color to make it stable, then it is stable for every person in the family. Then how and why the same house is affecting each person differently? A big question we must think about. Today I'm going to share a remedy for that. I'm going to clear all your doubts about Vastu in your life. So each person's date of birth can tell you how that particular building, how that house is going to affect you. For that, we will learn the basics in this class. We will learn the advanced techniques also in this class, how the Vastu is designed, how the colors are selected for a certain direction, all of that I will discuss today. And in the next class, we will learn the remedy. But before we learn remedy, must watch this video, this lecture till the end so that you have the understanding how the directions are working, because only after that you will be able to understand how to give remedy to someone. Sun represents east direction. The number one in your date of birth represents planet sun or your soul, and it is established in the east direction. East is the direction which has all the energy of sun. Now, this direction represents your power, your fame, your social status, your inner confidence, your willpower. That all is represented by number one or east direction together. Okay. So in numerology, number one will represent these qualities, and in Vastu, east direction will represent all of these things. Okay. That is why in the grid, when we make the grid to place the numbers in numerology, we always follow this order. Okay. Now, the element is fire. For east direction, the element is fire. Number one, the element is fire, and the color are orange. For east direction or number one, the color are orange always. Remember all of this because in the remedial part, this information is going to be used. Okay, I will tell you the technique how to use all this information to make your life better. So remember all of this. Now, what comes after sun? Moon, the number of social association, arts, creativity, singing, writing, as well as depression. Because when there is the social association is bad, you have depression, right? You are alone. Now, the element is water and the color is white. So, social association is represented by color white, whereas depression means lack of white is represented by black or gray color, dark gray, metallic gray. Okay, also the color of Rahu. So the direction will be northwest. Northwest, if the northwest direction is unstable, then definitely the person will have problems and related to creativity or in the field of arts or in the social association. The person will have problem connecting with other people. The person will be depressed. Okay. Now after moon comes Jupiter, number three. Number three is placed in the northeast direction. The planet Jupiter. Jupiter represents clarity, clarity of mind, clarity in the life, clarity in the house. Okay. So the direction of clarity. That's why I always try to keep it clear and free space in the house. Okay. Always try that northeast is free space, it is clear, or there is some small things you can place there, and it must be decluttered. Okay, it's not like that you are making a storeroom in the northeast direction. Never do that mistake. Okay, so number 3, the element is Akash. Akash element. Akash is the element, or what we call it, God or Ishwar Tattva. Akash represents unity, love, understanding of each other, connection with each other. So when in a house, northeast or northeast is unstable, or in a horoscope, in a date of birth, if number 3 is unstable, the person will have difficulty connecting with other people on the soul level. Okay, the color is yellow. Okay, now next comes our favorite, Rahu, number 4. So southwest is the direction given to Rahu. So in your house, if someone asks you where Rahu lives, that is the southwest direction. It represents your health. Why? Because Rahu basically represents the flaw in health. So if Rahu is stable in your chart, if southwest direction is stable in your chart or in the house, it means that you will have good health. It also represents wastage of money, wastage of things, wastage of your life force, wastage of energy and expenditure. So it becomes a very important direction. It also represents travel, because travel is the expenditure of rest. You want to rest, but you can't because you have to travel. Mostly people who love travels, they have this direction activated. This direction is highly activated in their house as well as in their birth chart. The color is purple for Rahu or metallic gray. The two colors are given to Rahu, and the element is air. Okay. Now comes my personally most favorite one, that is Mercury. Why? Because here comes the earth element, and you see it is the middle point between Akash Tattva and Jal Tattva, water Tattva. Between moon and Jupiter comes Mercury. You have moon, which is the mind, and Jupiter, that is the wisdom. When these two are stable, your brain, Mercury, is automatically stable. Try to understand this way. When your mind is stable and you have wisdom, you have knowledge, automatically your brain gets stable. Or another way, if you are able to stabilize your brain, the neuro activity in your brain, the electromagnetic current in your brain, if that is stabilized, then your mind will be stable as well as knowledge. You will be able to gather more and more knowledge. See why Mercury is my favorite. Also, Mercury represents your profit either in the material wealth or in the spiritual wealth. For example, people with the unstable 5 number or unstable Mercury, if it is getting a Grahan Yoga or a malefic connection with other planets, in that condition, these people, no matter what they do, no matter how much good you do for others, always people criticize you, they take benefit from you, and after that, they kick you out. That is the basic pattern of your life. So it is also very important that direction north. For materialistic growth, I always recommend people to do yajna while facing north direction. It will help you, especially the Vastu fusion mixture. If you use for yajna and you are facing the north direction and you are sitting here in the center, then definitely you will see great changes in your life. And if there is any window or door, just open it when you are doing yajna. Okay, you can watch another video on the remedial part where you will understand better about remedies. Now, after Mercury, it represents your cash, your savings, your profit, all of that. Now comes next, Venus. Everyone is running for this, just people want this. So Venus, number 6 has given the southeast direction. It represents relationship, attraction toward the luxury or toward the opposite gender, or attraction of opposite gender toward you. Okay. It also represents food. The element is water and the color is pink. Okay. The element is water and the color is pink for Venus. Just remember that. Also, if pink is not there, white color can be used as a replacement. Okay. So two colors can be there. Now comes, it is in the center. So it is very important for your overall life. It represents Ketu, 7 number. 7 number is Ketu, the center of your house. No direction is there. Basically, here is a circle. It is the center of your house. It is representing anxiety, travels, okay, and capability to analyze things or situations. The element is fire, but it is the analytical fire, not the burning fire, okay? And the color is gray. You know the difference between Ketu and Rahu? Rahu is the muscle man. Rahu has the strength because Rahu works like Saturn. Saturn are those people who are going to gym every day to build up, those big, big biceps and all. So those people are represented by Saturn. So this Rahu also follows the pattern of Saturn. So Rahu are those people who are the gangsters, they take knife or gun and they will just point that gun toward you and ask you to give all the money and everything. Those people are Rahu. Whereas Ketu is the smart person like Mars. Ketu goes and like the pickpocketers or the big scammers, like Vijay Mallya and all. So these people, Ambani, Narendra Modi, these personalities, they are born by Ketu. So they politely, with love, they just talk to you, they take all the money and they are gone. Simple. So that is the analytical power is Ketu basically. So, but also it gives you anxiety, the ability to travel, but Ketu's travel are beneficial. You get gain from that travel. Okay. Now, analysis ability, as I said, is also given. The element is fire and the color is gray. Okay. Now comes the next. After 7 comes Saturn, the most, the villain of astrology, numerology, and Vastu community. But it is not the villain. You have to understand. Eight number is placed in the west direction. The planet is Saturn. And Saturn represents acids. It represents your immunity. If 8 number is unstable, if in the house west direction is unstable, then definitely the person will have low immunity. Now, I will also tell a special technique at the end of this video. So just first understand all the elements and all the numbers. Then we will go to the predictive technique. Now, the element is air of Saturn. The element is air. It also gives you opportunities. Air represents opportunities in your life. The color is black. Okay. Also, royal blue color is also associated with Saturn. Now, what is left? Shubha Mangal, huh? Mangal, Mars. So 9 number. Mars is given the direction south. It is also the direction where Mars is strong. All the planets are having the same directions where they are really strong. So now 9 number is given to Mars and the south direction is given to Mars. Mars, it shows your recharging ability. You rest and you rejuvenate, you recharge yourself. It shows your power, your reputation, all the courage. Mars is not that muscle man. Mars means you have the courage. So when someone is dying, for example, a child is falling, and the muscle man, the bodybuilder, will be just standing and looking at that. Oh, the child is falling. But Mars will run and do not care about his life. But Mars will jump to save that child. That is the courage, the true courage of Mars. The element is fire and the color is dark red. Okay. Now, what if you know all of this? All of this information is there. You have all of this information, but how to use it? You see, if some number is unstable in your chart, also you write that number in a paper. Now you check that direction. For example, if number 4 is unstable in your chart, Rahu is getting malefic association or malefic transits, and it is negative. It is in the malefic condition. It is afflicted in your chart. It is unstable in your chart. Now immediately you check your flat or your house where you are living. you go to the southwest direction and you check that direction, whether that direction is stable or unstable. Now, by checking that direction, you can, if that direction is stable. Now, Rahu was unstable in your chart, in your numerology chart, but the southwest direction is stable in your house. It means the result will be okay, okay. So negativity and positivity are clashing together, 50% gain, 50% loss kind of situation. But if the direction is also unstable, then definitely you will get 100% malefic result in that house. So the house is same for everyone, but the numbers mixing with the Vastu will actually make sure that what results that person individually get. I hope a lot of your doubts about Vastu are clear now. See, I have analyzed all the numbers based on Vedic science and the teachings received by the tradition. And that is how I have decided and designed this chart. Many astrologers and Vastu experts are sharing the directions in the different place or the colors and elements in the different place in the Vastu Chakra. That is because of their understanding. I cannot support them. I am only sharing what I have analyzed and what I saw logical. Logically, placement, that is something I have done. All of you have learned the basics. All of you knows how it works. I hope it will help you understand. And if you have any doubt, feel free to comment or contact on our WhatsApp number.